Business is really tough at the moment. There are many business owners wondering what they're going to be left with and how they're going to rebuild their business when this crisis is over. We at the H Factor have launched an affordable and accessible application for your business planning process. Perhaps you want to create a strategy for a new business idea or product, or you want to move into a new market, minimise risk, or in this unprecedented environment, you just want to plan for your business rebuild and future growth. Whatever it is for you, Strategise provides the space to create the clarity of your business strategy. For an affordable one-off fee of $55, you are guided through a questioning process covering 10 plan sections, encouraging you to take a holistic view of your business, team or idea. From there, you identify your desired outcomes and go through the process of developing the actions that will deliver it. Assign priorities, timeframes, and even KPIs. You can make a whole of business plan or work on a specific business area. It's completely up to you. You can also check on your progress with the dashboard facility. With Strategise, you're building a comprehensive plan for you, not for a bank or somebody else. It's designed specifically for you. And if you need help, you have the option to receive one-on-one assistance through our network of trained online specialists. Check it out at strategise.online.